This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on WhatsApp. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to WhatsApp here. I have WhatsApp opened up now. To enable or disable dark mode, you want to go down to the lower left-hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go up to where it says Chats and click on Chats. Then underneath Theme, it says I'm set to Default Theme, System Default. Click on Theme. The little dialog box that opens up lets you go to Light Mode, Dark Mode, or your system's default mode. If I wanted to go to Dark, I would toggle on Dark. Then I would go down to the bottom, click on OK. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.